Discover automated traffic and revenue explosion with this super simple WordPress plugin that will allow you to ethically stick your visitors onto your page, create buzz, engage longer, and generate you more revenue. This works on any WordPress website in any niche. If you want an easy way to make your blog make you more money, then this is for you. After all, what's the point in having a website that doesn't generate an income for you? Unfortunately, too many people struggle trying to find the perfect ad placement to maximize exposure without affecting user experience too much. And it's a bit of a fine art. And unfortunately, most of them are doing it all wrong. By not creating sticky posts on their website, their visitors end up clicking away from the website just as quickly as they arrived. What if I told you there was a simple process that would turn any single post into a revenue-grabbing goldmine? The process allows you to take any existing post, split that post into as many pieces as you like, and with one click, your blog post is turned into a multi-page, multimedia article that ethically forces and entices your reader to stick around, click through and read, increasing your ad impressions and your revenue. And the best thing is, the plugin will auto-curate images to go with each of the sections, which will end up giving you a huge boost in SEO rankings along with Google image traffic too. It's really that simple. You might have seen a lot of websites like this, and maybe you've even wondered how they managed to do it. And the answer, unfortunately, is thousands of dollars of custom coding for each and every website that they want to monetize. And this is something I'm sure no one really wants to be spending their hard-earned money on, especially as now it's completely unnecessary to do so, because we've packed this function into an amazingly lightweight yet powerful, simple to use WordPress plugin. Introducing Sticky Post. Sticky Post is the three-step solution to your monetization problems. Step 1, engage. Step 2, monetize. Step 3, automate. With just a few settings, you'll be able to set up your site to engage and extract maximum revenue. Instead of struggling to find perfect ad placements, this plugin will make it amazingly simple. Would you like to see Sticky Post in action? Scroll down the page and find the demo video below. With Sticky Post, you'll be able to automatically split any post, category, or even your entire blog into these sticky cash pulling posts. Choose how many times you would like each of your articles to be split. Customize your step progress buttons to match the color scheme and the feel of your website. Decide how many ads you'd like to display. Add social sharing buttons so that your content can go viral. The power really is in your hands with Sticky Post, and we're giving you full access to customize everything to suit your needs. That being said, if you want to keep it simple and stick to the defaults, Sticky Post will work right out of the box. So today we're giving you a completely customizable piece of software that's going to revolutionize the way you display ads to your visitors and give you the power to explode your revenue. And it's no surprise, this strategy just works. So click the button to secure your copy of Sticky Post today, and I'll see you on the download page.